Hello everyone, my name is Pranav from CSC Core Department first year. Today I am here to take an interview of my classmate Anavil Sharma. Please introduce yourself.
Hello everybody, my name is Anavil Sharma. I'm from CSA Core Department, first year.
So my question that I want to ask you have seen maybe like many people are unable to communicate in English and they have very like difficulty in speaking English and it's not possible for everyone to speak in English. What are your thoughts on it?
Pranav, first of all, it doesn't depend on how much your vocabulary is, how good your grammar is. It more or less depends on the kind of confidence you have while talking. Like right now, I'm comfortable speaking to you. I can talk to you in English. I can talk to you in any language I like. And the second reason I believe is many people have different native languages. For example, I have Hindi and Punjabi. I can speak Hindi and Punjabi more fluently than English. And like some people who have, for example, I'm not being racist here or anything, just saying that Telugu people have a certain accent which might be difficult for us to comprehend. And because of that, like many people face problems, and these are the communication barriers which make a barrier between people.
Okay, so next question is how do you improve the English language?
Well, Pranav, for instance, when I was learning English in my school, they told us to communicate as much as possible in English, because the more you speak a language, or the more you do anything for that matter, the better you get at it.
Yeah.
So like when I'm talking to people, people whose native language is not the same as mine, I prefer to talk in English because for one, it gives me good practice. Secondly, it makes good contacts. And in this day and age, contacts is the best thing you can have. I'm sure you agree with that.
Yeah.
And well, I read a lot of books whenever I get the chance, and seeing documentaries, movies in English is the key aspect for improving your language skills.
What are your suggestions for people like who are trying to improve?
I mean, you should probably talk as much as you can in English, yeah. And being shy and shying away from conversations is definitely not the way to go. Yeah. And I get some people are introverts, and like being introverted is fine, but if you don't talk to anyone, your English communication skills or any skills for that matter will hinder, will face a big step back.
So what are your suggestions for them, those who are introverts?
Introverts, like I'm sure every introvert has a few friends.
Yeah.
Because without friends, there is no surviving in this day and age. Like talk to them, start talking to other people as much as you can. Like I'm sure it's hard for you, but like if you can talk to many people, if you can talk to at least one person in English for a given duration during the day, at least a given duration during the day, it will help you for sure.
So, hello guys, this is my second video with Zain. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I am Zain Khan. I'm from Bangalore. I'm a first year student at VIT, studying BTech Computer Science.
Okay, so my question to you, Zain, is like, what do you think are the reasons for the communicational barriers, and especially with English?
Okay. Communication barriers, what I feel, develop over a period of time. That is with people that you bond with. But with someone that you meet, right now, say I met you, all of a sudden I just ran into you. First of all, it would be our body language. If I'm not very welcoming, or if you're not very welcoming, then I wouldn't want to come speak to you. Say I'm here publicizing an event and I'm walking by and you're standing like this. You don't look very approachable. So that would be a very harsh communication barrier. Apart from that, another communication barrier that I can think of is us not having the same language to speak. If we don't have a common medium of conversing, say you speak Tamil and I speak only Kannada, and we don't know a middle language, say English or Hindi. If we don't have a common ground, then that would be another communication barrier. These are some of the major communication barriers that you can see all around.
Okay, thank you. Third and final interview with Amitabh Bhaiya. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Amitabh. I'm current fourth year student in VIT.
So my question to you is like you have seen many people that they are not able to communicate in English they face many problems while they want to convey their message, but they are not able to convey. So, and you have experienced so much. So I want to know about what answer will you give this?
Communication essentially, of course, is you're getting your points across. So the barriers can be maybe your pronunciation is something that the other person is not able to understand. Maybe you're just speaking too fast or speaking too slow. Then for your pronunciation, the only thing is to practice. For speed and all, you get feedbacks from other people, then you're able to tell them, okay, maybe you're speaking too fast, maybe you're speaking slow. That is how you're able to do it. Second thing is, or the last thing is to actually participate in societies that help you speak or public speaking things. For example, you have DevSoc in VIT or you have MUNSOC in VIT. There are other more platforms wherein the public speaking part of it is being taught upon. So you can actually join them if you wish to improve your communication skills.
Thank you.